The first Iowa State Creamery started in 1927, part of Iowa State University's long-standing agricultural tradition. The Creamery provided students with hands-on experience making cheese, butter, ice cream, and other dairy products until it closed in 1969. Today, the ISU Creamery is back in business, the ice cream business, with a new vision and new flavors.
All of our ice creams are named or representing traditions and people of Iowa State. We invited college students, alumni, faculty, staff, anyone affiliated with Iowa State to enter their concept. They simply had to explain their concept and how it fit into their college, describe the product really clearly, and then we had deans of all the colleges judge these entries.
That is really good. This is the Marston. Yeah. Yum.
So the students get to work in actual production as you see behind me. So they get to make the ice cream, and this starts from procuring the ingredients. Doing production, so learning about food safety, but also about the equipment, because they can learn food safety in the store, but they don't get to learn pasteurization or equipment processing. We have a couple of students who are running the social media accounts for the Creamery, a couple of students who are thinking of our ideas for our wall design. Just getting to take that initiative and let them own the Creamery store because it is their experience and it is their store, I think is really beneficial to them.
Today, we started the day with white chocolate squirrel. We have this famous leucistic squirrel that has been around Iowa State. So this is honoring him. It is a white chocolate flavored ice cream with hazelnut spread and chopped hazelnuts layered in.
So we do multiple layers since we're hand packing so that the inclusions can be all throughout.
The other one that we're going to do in the second chamber, and that's going to be Marston Mash, and that is the College of Engineering. So that is all ice cream starts as soft serve. Doesn't matter what kind it is, as long as it's ice cream, it's got the word ice cream in it, starts as soft serve. And to be ice cream, it needs to have dairy. Legally, ice cream must have 20% dairy solids, and 10 of those minimum need to be fat. So for the word ice cream to be on a package, it's minimum 10% fat. We have eggs. We've decided to use eggs because Iowa is a poultry state. It's a very important part of our economy. I personally am trying to make a product that's not super sweet because sugar is not good for us. There are much better things in ice cream than the sugar. A lot of the ingredients in ice cream that you'll see on the back of a package are things that maybe you can't pronounce. So even though it might scare people to see these words like locust bean gum, it's entirely natural, and it helps bind water so that your ice cream doesn't feel like an ice cube.
Care is taken in every step of the process, from the ingredients they use to the way each container is lovingly packed by hand.
We do lovingly make it. It almost makes me want to cry hearing you say that because it's absolutely true, and we take a great deal of pride in what we do. This was so important to me to get established here because it means jobs for these young people when they graduate, because they're getting that hands-on experience, that exposure to the field